Okay friends, to get started, let's carefully grab our wiper arm. We're going to gently lift it up. Now we can tilt the wiper blade right underneath where my index finger is. You're going to be able to find a little lip. It's kind of like a little piton. We're going to go ahead and squeeze that towards the wiper arm, and then we can draw the wiper blade down towards the windshield and remove it. Let's carefully set this down against the windshield. Just take note of exactly where the wiper blade was sitting before we remove this wiper arm. To remove the wiper arm, you're going to want to carefully lift this up. Just keep in mind that this is under spring tension. You don't want to let it slap down and hit your windshield. Now at this point, you're going to find a little tab right along here. We can go ahead and grab that, lift it straight up, and then we'll remove this from the wiper assembly. We're just going to wiggle this a little bit. There it is, friends. All right, let's have a look at this now. We want to pay attention to this area right along here. You want to make sure that it's clean and free of any debris. If it looks like it's rusted, rotted, or damaged in any way, you're going to want to make sure that you replace the assembly that's located underneath your cowl. This one looks good, so I'm just going to take a tiny bit of grease and I'm going to go along these splines right here. Just in case I ever have to remove this arm again, it's going to make it much easier. All right, now it's time to install our brand new wiper arm assembly. Looking at it on this side, you can see the splined areas. And then all the way over on this side, you can see an area where there's a larger cutout. That larger cutout is going to fit in perfectly up against this area here. So let's go ahead and install it. Now I want to lift up on this arm right here. That's going to release this lock. We can pull up on that and press this down. Lock it in. Carefully rest this down up against the windshield, and let's grab our wiper blade. Now it's time to install our brand new wiper blade. You're going to notice that you have a nice sheathing on it. That's to protect the rubber where it's supposed to hit up against the windshield. Now we're going to take this, we'll line up our hole right there with the piton on the arm and just gently slide it in. You want to keep going until it's completely locked and there's no way that this can come off. Rest that up against the windshield and down the road you go.